Christian Carpenter here with Everything Residential. Today we're talking about converting a double car garage into a single car garage and adding some living space. Living space. Come in here and take a look. We got our floorboard set up. Let's go a little bit more work to do. Concrete in 2 hours from now. You can see this is a part of the living area, and he wanted to add on for like a larger office. So the way this is going to work is we remove this wall right here. It's non-load bearing. Remove this wall. We doweled into the concrete. Rebar is going to go in here shortly. We're going to epoxy rebar into this slab. Add on. There was an existing slab, if you see over here. There was an existing slab, but we removed it and then we filled it with ABC, water compacted, so we're good to go with the ground. Concrete goes in, level with the existing slab, so the flooring is nice and smooth. We have a Jack and Jill bathroom. We're converting just to a regular bathroom that you walk in here. And it's pretty simple, people. We're gonna remove the garage door, come in here, build a wall, and this is all down the road we're gonna show you. We're gonna build a 2x6 wall, extra insulation, and you'll have an office. Pretty simple, straightforward. So let's wait. I'll see you on the other side when the concrete's getting poured.
Another legendary concrete pour here with Nate the Great and the CAC. As you see, we got another truck here mixing it up on site. Always good. They're gonna bring it through here. Built themselves a little ramp, some parkour stuff. See them working on it now.
Canyon Valley concrete on the site.
There's gonna be a lot of this. Stay tuned. Watch the wheelbarrows come through.
All right. Okay, we got our dowels all plunged in this wall here. Looking good.
Hand up on that side.
Nice.
Right now you see them. They're troweling the sides here to make it even with the level line. That orange mark there. They did a good job. And then now you see them screening it. It's just leveling out the surface and making it all flat. Doing a good job.
Now this is a magnesium bolt float, right?
Yeah.
Nate's getting the ground wet. Here it comes. Watch out, Nate. Soak it?
Yeah, soak it.
Soak it, Nate. So we already got it wet, but the concrete's coming out a little tough. So we're getting the ground. There you go. It's a nice hot summer day. Getting so the moisture in the concrete doesn't just suck away. Okay, you guys see the concrete. This is the end of phase one. Just to recap real quick, we removed the existing garage slab. We doweled into the old slab and poured concrete, okay? Very simple. Form it up, take it out. Next up, phase two is going to be framing it all out, adding our weather barrier, drywall insulation, just all the electrical, everything really comes together in phase two. And then in phase three, that's when it really starts to pop. And I gotta tell you guys right now, we're already done with phase two. So I'm about to post phase one right now. I'm super excited to post phase two because that's what I do. All this is the subs right here. But phase two is coming up. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, smash the subscribe button. I need you guys to do that, all right? Helps improve the views of the whole entire site. So you guys have a good day. Adios.